In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions in Vimeo. This can be incredibly useful for making your videos more accessible and ensuring that your content reaches a wider audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open Vimeo and sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's free to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Vimeo homepage, and from there, navigate to your library. This is where all your uploaded videos will be stored. Once you're in your library, look through your videos and select the specific video that you want to add captions to. Click on it to open the video details. In the toolbar on the left side, you'll see various options related to your video. To find the Captions section, you'll want to click on the Languages option. After you click on Languages, a new window will pop up. You'll notice a big plus button at the top of that window. Go ahead and click the plus button. This is where the fun begins. This action will prompt you to choose a caption file from your computer. Make sure you have your caption file ready. It should typically be in a standard format like SRT or VTT files, as these are commonly used for captions. Once you've selected your caption file, the next step is to select the language for your captions. This is important because it helps viewers know what language the captions are in. So go ahead and choose the appropriate language from the drop-down menu. After you've selected the language, you'll see an option labeled Type. Here, you want to make sure you select captions since that's what we're adding. Once you have everything set, all you need to do is click the Upload button. Your caption file will start uploading, and this might take a moment depending on the file size. Now, patience is key here. You just have to wait for the caption file to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, you might want to double check that everything looks good. To do this, look for an option to turn the caption track on. This will enable the captions for viewers once they start watching your video. And just like that, your captions are now available. Viewers can access them easily by clicking on the CC button in the Vimeo player. This button is typically found at the bottom right corner of the video when it's playing. It's a small but mighty tool that ensures your content is accessible, especially for individuals who might be hard of hearing, or for those who prefer to watch videos with sound off. Adding captions not only broadens your audience, but also enhances engagement. People appreciate being able to follow along, especially in noisy environments or when they're multitasking. So by taking the time to add captions, you're showing your viewers that you care about their experience. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to take a little time to experiment with different caption styles if you can, and see what resonates best with your audience. It can truly make a difference in how your video is received. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on how to add captions in Vimeo helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more useful tips and tutorials. Remember, accessibility matters. Your content can truly enrich someone's day. Happy